get hit pretty hard for about the next 3 hours, so we'll be seeing if that water comes across the barrier or not. Right now it's not terrible. The garbage cans have gotten knocked over, but oop. But really, it's that ocean.